Hey everyone, Film Secrets here, back at it with another tutorial. I know it's been a long time, but I'm excited to start making these again. Today we are making 3D logos with Element 3D. Alright, here I am in After Effects with my own logo in a new composition. To begin, I'm going to make sure my logo is selected, go up to Layer, scroll down to Auto Trace, make sure I'm working on the current frame and not the entire work area, otherwise it'll scan the entire work area and that will suck. Make sure options on the channel is set to luminance, invert and blur are not selected, 0 pixels before auto trace, tolerance is at 3 pixels, threshold is at 50%, minimum area is at 10 pixels, and corner roundness is at 0%, and apply to new layer. I have the preview activated just to make sure my thing looks alright. Click OK. Alright, now I'll make sure my original layer is deselected, and I noticed that I accidentally traced the background, so I'm going to delete that background mask. Delete it, and now I have this perfectly traced logo. Now I'm going to create a new solid and open Element 3D. Once I have Element 3D opened up, I will go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks, and I will click and select my auto trace on the Untitled Design. You can name it whatever you want. I will now shut this off. Go up to Scene Setup. Here in Scene Setup, I will click Extrude, which will make a 3D model of my logo. To make it look a little bit nicer, I will go to the Material section, Bevel, and set Extrude to 3. Makes it look a little bit nicer. Now my actual logo has secrets and this bar around it, red, and the rest of it is similar to this color. So to make this happen, I will duplicate my extrusion model and make sure I turn off one of the layers. Now I will come over here and I will select the mesh view. And I'll start deselecting these models until I just see the secrets bar. And now I will rename this Secrets. Alright. And then I will shut that off, turn this one back on. Then I will start deselecting from the bottom until secrets and that black bar is no longer there. Boom. Alright, I will now name this Film. Now on Secrets, I will open the Materials section and I will duplicate and replace this. The reason I did this so the materials aren't the same color. And now I will turn this back on, go to the Material section, the basic settings, and change the diffuse color to red. And now that looks more like my logo. Now I'll click OK. Now out of Scene Setup, I will go up to Layer, New, Camera. Alright, now that I have a new camera, I can move around and position the logo and move around it however I want. I'm going to position it in this angle, and I'm going to go to my Element layer, go to Render Settings, Physical Environment, crank that up to 100%. Now if we come up here to Layer, New, and add a new light, our logo comes back. Now we can move our light in between our layer, give us some cool results, and just position it in any way we want. I'm just going to leave it right here. Now we're going to position the camera back to how I want it. Come over here to black solid, our element layer, go to render settings, and you can kind of just play around with these settings to give you the best results. I'm going to go to ambient occlusion and add some shadow depth to it. Now I think this looks pretty good. We hide the layers, and there's our final result. Before I end today's video, I will quickly let you know what's happening next with this channel. I know I've been absent for some time, but I have big things coming to the channel pretty soon. So subscribe and turn on that bell notifications and watch out for my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.